Today, we're diving deep into the multifaceted world of marketing with a special focus on the vibrant, ever changing landscape of targeting the idea of cool. Understanding the dynamics of this particular demographic is not just an art, it's a endeavor that, when done right, brings immense benefits and drives our efforts forward. First off, let's talk about the essence of cool hunting. In our quest to capture the attention of the demographic, it's crucial to recognize that their tastes and their preferences are they're not just consumers, they're trendsetters at the heart of cultural shifts. By mastering the art of cool hunting, you not only stay ahead of the curve, but also position your brand as a leading voice in setting trends. Having this proactive approach not only boosts brand relevance, but also it fosters a loyal consumer base that feels seen and understood. Engaging with the cool crowd is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube that's always changing. Traditional marketing doesn't cut it with this group. They seek authenticity, something that resonates with a deeper level than just a mere product. Make campaigns that speak to real life experiences and values of this group can turn passive observers into active participants and advocates for your brand. Authentic engagement builds trust, and trust is the currency of the future in today's world. It's no secret that a handful of companies control a vast majority of the media landscape because this consolidation presents both challenges and opportunities. The challenge lies in breaking through the noise, while the opportunity is to leverage these platforms creatively to reach our audience. Utilizing these networks of these media giants smartly, it can amplify your reach incredible. Partnering with influencers, utilizing user-generated content, and engaging in cross-platform storytelling can create a narrative that captivates the cool audience. Now let's talk about stealth marketing. Gone are the days of the overt advertisement. Today's customers are sad. They smell a sales pitch from a mile away. Stealth marketing is undercover marketing. It offers a way to kind of weave your brand into the fabric of their daily lives without the traditional sales pitch. Being subtle in your approach, it leads to a more organic brand discovery. It's a process for these cool kids, and it kind of makes them feel like they have stumbled upon something generally on their own, generally cool, and have it not being sold to them. This can lead to high engagement rates and a more positive brand perception. At the end of the day, our goal isn't just to sell a product, it's to connect. People value relationships and authenticity above everything else. They want to engage with brands that understand them, that speak their language, and that stand for something. Brands that successfully forge genuine connections with the cool kids, they benefit from unparalleled level of loyalty and advocacy. This isn't just about immediate sales. It's about building a long-term relationship that can sustain and grow your brand from years to come. So to finish up, this landscape of marketing to the cool crowd is as challenging as it is rewarding. By embracing the art of cool hunting, striving for authenticity, leveraging media platforms, engaging in stealth marketing, and prioritizing genuine connections can not only reach, but resonate with this demographic of people. Let's not just chase trends, let's set them, man. Let's build brands that not only speak to cool kids, but speak for them. The future's in our hands, man. Let's shape it together. I hope you learned something from this today. This is very powerful. It's a little bit more in depth than what I usually talk about. I'm pretty sure you got something from it. This is Shawn. Have a great day.